This Century 21 Olympian property video is presented by Gonzalez. Contemporary townhome nestled in the Heights. This bright and light home features a great open floor plan that is multi-leveled in the living/dining/kitchen area to give the room separation, but create an open-air feel. Granite countertops throughout the home, with custom cabinetry, bar and a floating staircase. Kitchen has upgraded stainless steel appliances and a huge island for entertaining. Do not forget to step out onto the terrace off the master bedroom, to take in the panoramic views. Conveniently located near bars and restaurants. Very close to major highways 610 and I-10. For more information, review the details below.